I ordered this Burano nail foil glue from Amazon, y'all, because I'm on the hunt to find a good nail foil glue. So this came as a set. I said, let me just buy it and review it so y'all can know exactly what's good and don't have to waste y'all money. This is what the glue looks like. It also comes with instructions, so this should be pretty easy because it lets you know exactly what to do, how to use it. Oh, and it came with some foil, some foil. Wow, they're really small strips. It's not, you know, a lot, but it's nice to have like these little samples. And it also came with this this tool that you use to hold the sticker down onto the nail to make sure that the design transfers fully to the nail. I don't know what this is called. I'm sure there's probably a name for it, but we just gonna call this a nail foil transfer tool. Okay. I was actually thinking about buying one. I didn't know it came in the set, so that's really good. What I did know is that this is what I knew, like the set was gonna come with 2 glues because on the listing that's what it said, and that's why I ordered the set, because it's like you're getting a 2-for-1 kind of deal, I guess. Yeah, and so that's it. That's all that came in the box. But I'm gonna go ahead and prep some nails, and then I'm gonna come back and show you how the glue works. So real quick, for those of you that may be curious on how I prep my nails for the polish application, this is how the nails come. You see how it has, you know, it's shiny and then it has these rough edges. I take a buffer and I buff the shine off the nail, and I also buff the edges. Sometimes I use the nail file and I'll file the free edge, but in this situation, I'm just gonna use the buffer for everything. I'm just gonna buff the shine off the nail, and I'm gonna buff that free edge to smooth out that edge so it won't look like this, how it has, you know, that little piece that comes sticking out that lets you know it's a brand new press-on nail. Just so you guys can see, just in case you wanted to know how I prep my nails. I just use a buffer, and I got this buffer on Amazon, and I buff the shine right off that nail. And this only takes you like a minute to do, 5 minutes to do all 10 nails. And this is how it looks after I buff the nail. And then after I'm done buffing the nail, I'm gonna get some rubbing alcohol, spray it on a paper towel, and I'm going to wipe off all that dust. Because if you don't wipe it off, it's going to leave dust bubbles in your polish when you apply the polish. So you definitely want to clean that off with some alcohol. And the whole purpose of removing the shine off the nail is to prevent your nail polish from peeling. This will help your polish and your nails in general last a lot longer. And that's the whole purpose. All right, so now I'm done buffing. I'm gonna take my alcohol, and I basically just poured rubbing alcohol in a spray bottle. And take my alcohol, spray it on the paper towel, get a nail, and clean all that dust off so it doesn't ruin my nail polish application. All right, so the nails are nice and clean, they ready to go. Now let's get into this nail foil glue. So I'm gonna follow the directions because I really want this to work. I don't want there to be any excuse on my behalf as to why it didn't work. Step 1, apply the base coat and cure in the lamp for 1 to 2 minutes, and then apply color gel and cure for 1 to 2 minutes in the lamp. So basically, you're gonna apply your base coat as normal, and then you're gonna apply your choice of, you know, polish, your color choice of polish that you want to use. It's basically normal preparation. You start off with your base coat, and then you cure your base coat in the lamp for 1 to 2 minutes, I guess depending on your lamp. And it also specifies you have to cure it by LED lamp. My lamp is a UV gel / LED lamp, so it works as both. So I'm gonna put that in the lamp, and I'm gonna do the other hand. All right, so now I'm gonna apply my color, and I'm using this Modelones gel nail polish. And this is the color 0856, and it's kind of like a minty green, it's a dark mint green, because I feel like mint green is much brighter than this. I'm gonna cure this in the lamp for 2 minutes. I'm gonna follow the directions. So I took it out the lamp after 2 minutes, and this is how it's looking. I feel like it needs another coat, so I'm gonna apply a second coat, and then I'm gonna cure it again. So we're on to step 2 now. We're on to step 2, and it says to apply the nail foil glue and cure it for 1 minute. And then you're gonna apply the nail foil glue again and cure it again for 1 minute. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna apply the nail foil glue. I'm gonna apply this nail foil glue, and I'm gonna cover the whole nail, because we're gonna see if this works on transferring the foil over the whole entire nail. So I applied the first coat of the nail foil glue, and I'm gonna put this in the lamp for 1 minute to cure. All right, so here we go. This is gonna be the second coat, y'all. So if you're watching this, keep in mind I'm using 2 coats, curing for 1 minute in between each coat. For the third step, you're gonna apply the sticker covering the entire nail if that's what you want. So in my case, I want to transfer the design to the entire nail. So I'm gonna cover the entire nail with the foil, and then I'm going to use my tool to smooth it out and make sure that the design is fully transferring to the nail. So it says you can apply the sticker completely on the nail surface and remove the sticker. Make sure every part of the nail is covered by the sticker. And they're talking about the transfer foil. So that's what I'm about to do. This is the Macart brand nail foil. I'm gonna use this pretty neon. This is so pretty. So I'm just gonna cut a piece off. The nail out the lamp. All right. Okay. I hate when the foil creases, because then that's when I feel like it might not apply the way I want it to because of the creases. I don't know, but we'll see. Hopefully it applies very well. I could already see that it's starting to transfer, y'all. I'm already seeing some results. But I really want to take my time, because I really want this to transfer really well. So I'm not even gonna lift it up just yet. Just want to make sure everything is on there before I lift it. See. No, I see some is still on the paper. I'm gonna try to get it. And I feel like that's where the foil creased up. So it's actually not the glue's fault. The glue's fault is probably my fault, the way I applied it. So maybe next time I'll probably apply it in sections. I don't know. It's my first time using it, so. Oh, that looks mad. Oh my God, that looks so good. It looks really good. And I see you know, it's only the areas where the foil had creased up. That's the only area where it didn't get the nail. So I knew that was gonna be an issue because the foil was kind of creasing up. So when you apply your foil, try to get it on the nail as smooth as possible without creasing it, because once it creases, it will crease the design on the nail. I don't know if y'all can see that, if it's showing up on camera, but it looks so good, y'all. Nah, it looks so good. As you can see, the Burano nail foil glue, it does work. It does work, y'all. Honestly, I feel like you can't really tell that, you know, some of the design didn't transfer to the nail. I think it looks really good. And if you wanted to, you can add some polish to it, or you can even apply some stones to it. Let's keep it pushing. We're gonna keep it pushing and move on to the next step. The next step is step 4, and that's the last step, and it's basically to apply your top coat. It says to apply the top coat and then cure it for 1 to 2 minutes, I guess depending on your lamp, and then you're done. My battery is dying, so I'm gonna be back. Okay, so for this part, I'm just applying the glue. I'm applying the glue, and then I'm gonna apply my stones. This is how the nails is looking after I added some bling. So now I'm gonna apply the top coat, the middle fingers. So I still have 8 other nails to do, but I'm not sure if I wanna do this same design. I think that looks good. So I'm gonna cure this for like 3 minutes. And this is the top coat that I use. This is the Madame Glam top coat. In my opinion, it's not that shiny, but it works. It works, y'all. This is the final result, and I'm in love. I'm so happy that I purchased this. And this is not even sponsored, y'all. I was just on a hunt for a really good transfer foil glue, and I've been looking at reviews online, and I haven't really found that much YouTube reviews, but I'm glad I purchased this. This was a good buy, and I got a set of 2, so I got plenty to use. The nails came out so beautiful.